Traxxas Disruptor. Priced at approximately $549.99, the Traxxas Disruptor is the ultimate high-performance RC boat built for thrill seekers and water sports enthusiasts. Powered by the Valinion VXL4S marine brushless system, it reaches speeds of over 40 miles per hour using a single 4S LiPo battery. Its 26-inch deep V hull offers outstanding stability and agility, making it perfect for both small ponds and open water adventures. The Disruptor features a rapid self-righting system, allowing for quick and reliable recovery if the boat capsizes. Supersonic Wake 48. Priced at approximately $349.99, the Supersonic Wake 48-inch is a high-speed RC boat built for adrenaline junkies and water sports enthusiasts. Powered by a factory-installed Spectrum 8S brushless power system, this powerhouse reaches speeds of over 50 miles per hour, effortlessly cutting through large lakes and ponds. Its self-righting design ensures quick recovery in the event of a capsize, while underwater LEDs provide a stunning visual effect for exciting evening runs. The boat features a thick ABS hull that offers impressive durability, allowing it to handle big jumps and rough waters with ease. Whether you're chasing thrilling speed runs or pulling off eye-catching stunts, the Supersonic Wake 48 inches delivers unbeatable performance and excitement. Traxxas Spartan SR Elite Performance RC boat for speed and control. Priced at approximately $699.99, with a base version at $449.95. The Traxxas Spartan SR is a top-tier high-speed RC boat engineered for adrenaline junkies and serious water enthusiasts. Equipped with a Valinion VXL6S marine brushless system, the Spartan SR unleashes thrilling speeds of over 50 miles per hour, delivering raw power and intense excitement on the water. Its self-righting feature allows for fast recovery in case of a flip, so you can return to full throttle action in seconds. The deep V ABS hull ensures razor-sharp handling and outstanding stability even at top speeds. Atomic Barb Wire 3. Priced at approximately $29.95, the Atomic Barb Wire 3 is an impressive and budget-friendly, ready-to-run electric brushless RC boat designed for water enthusiasts and hobbyists alike. Powered by a high-performance, water-cooled brushless motor, it achieves speed. Pro Boat Blackjack 24 inches. Compact high-speed RC catamaran. Priced at approximately $299.99, the Pro Boat Blackjack 24 inches is a high-performance, ready-to-run RC catamaran built for speed and control on the water. Powered by a brushless 2,000 kilovolt water-cooled motor, this compact boat can reach speeds of over 30 miles per hour, with even greater performance possible using optional accessories. Its offset rudder system ensures exceptional stability during. Traxxas DCB M41. Introducing the Traxxas DCB M41, a high-performance RC catamaran built for water enthusiasts who crave speed, agility, and precision. Powered by the Valinion VXL6S marine brushless system, the DCB M41 reaches speeds of 50+ miles per hour. Pro Boat Recoil. High-speed self-righting. Deep V RC boat. The Pro Boat Recoil is the perfect RC boat for adrenaline junkies and water enthusiasts seeking fast, reliable performance in a compact package. Powered by a 2,100 kilovolt brushless motor and a 60-amp water-cooled ESC, the Recoil reaches thrilling speeds of over 30+ miles per hour using a single 3S LiPo battery. Its self-righting design allows for quick recovery if flipped, getting you back to high-speed action in seconds. Traxxas Spartan. Introducing the Traxxas Spartan, the ultimate high-speed RC boat built for adrenaline junkies and water sport enthusiasts. Powered by the Valinian VXL6 S Marine brushless system, the Spartan delivers thrilling speeds of 50+ miles per hour with powerful 3S or 6S LiPo batteries. Its self-righting feature allows the boat to quickly flip upright if overturned, so your Traxxas M41 wide-body brushless RC catamaran. Available on Amazon, the Traxxas M41 is the ultimate high-speed RC catamaran designed for serious water enthusiasts. Powered by the Valinian VXL6 S Marine brushless system, the M41 can reach speeds of 50+ miles per hour when paired with dual 3-cell LiPo batteries. Its 40-inch wide-body hull, Pro Boat Impulse 32-inch brushless deep V RTR available on Amazon, the Pro Boat Impulse 32-inch brushless deep V RTR is the ultimate RC boat for high-speed enthusiasts. Powered by a water-cooled 2,000 kilovolt brushless motor, this sleek deep V hull design allows the boat to reach speeds exceeding 55+ miles per hour. Built for performance and durability, it features a multi-layer fiberglass composite hull